What's up and welcome back. Today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Chevelle. This one here has a 396 under the hood with power steering. Motor's nice and quiet, really clean engine bay. What we're gonna do is take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every car on the car lot. Make sure to hit subscribe to see daily content from Maple Motors. You can also get detailed pictures, finance options, and shipping information, all at maplemotors.com. We're also going to do a walk around video, pointing out any kind of flaws in this car. That way you know all the chips, scratches, or any kind of rust, or any issues it may have. This one does have disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. Let's see how she rides down the road. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. So we're getting ready to take off here. We'll look around the interior and also place our bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Is aftermarket steering wheel and column with tilt. I do like this column. I like the gauges on them too. They look awesome. Doesn't have AC on this one. Doesn't have a radio. Aftermarket B&M shifter. It looks really good in the setup here. Seats are in great shape. Back seat, same thing, nice and clean. Package tray is pretty good. Has a little spot in the back corner here where it's kind of wrinkled up, and in the corner on the headliner piece has got some wrinkles in it as well on both sides. Headliner itself looks decent, pretty good. The pillars got some cracks on them. I do like those gauges quite a bit though. We'll turn the key. It does start up easy. Jack is coming up. Voltmeter's coming up. Gas gauge looks to be working. We're gonna get gas for sure. Engine temperature is coming up and oil pressure is up. The windshield wiper motor has been taken off of this car. It does not have one on it at the moment, so that's not going to work. You need a glove box insert. And let's try that horn. You ready? I hear it clicking, but it's not honking. So the horn is not hooked up either. Let's hit the road and see how she runs and drives. I was looking around the car, I couldn't find a seat belt. They have them in the back, they don't have them in the front. Any other flaws I'm gonna point out, that's why I do these videos. All right. 100% getting some gas. The gas gauge is floating around like crazy. Let's hit the road. Try to catch up to this guy. He's doing like 70 down this road. We hit 60 pretty fast. Speedometer is working, seems to be pretty correct. Let's see if the kickdown's hooked up. Woo, little tire churn. Yes, it is hooked up. Brakes on this one, stopping pretty good. I don't want to nail them. There's a guy behind me. I'm gonna say we may get pulled over on this one. There was a cop watching us when we did that. They probably radared us. He's like a car behind me. This thing drives good though. Steering's nice and tight. I mean, as soon as I turn, it turns. We're going straight as an arrow down the road. Turn signals are popping up on the dash, which is a good thing. And he following us. Oh, no, he left. He was going right, but he wasn't going into here. That'd have been the first time ever that I got pulled over on camera. I've never actually gotten pulled over on any of these test drives. I had a lot of people asking me that question. I'm usually really careful though. I'm not out here doing crazy stuff. He did circle around us though. He's going that way now. He's wandering. Like, man, that guy's got cameras in his windows. All right, I'm gonna get some fuel and we'll check this gauge when we get back into the car. Let's do it. All right, up here at the gas station, I just put about $20 worth of premium fuel in this ride, and we're gonna check out that gas gauge and make sure it works. You put the fuel in right here behind the tag. Notice the spring's a little bit weak on that one, but it is staying up as we're rolling down the road. Let's check this gas gauge. Car's nice and warm now, so let's see how she starts. Perfect. Gas gauge is up. She was buried on the E and she's still moving up. It does work. Let's keep this test drive rolling. All right, getting ready to take off. So far so good. Engine temperature is right at 200, which is fine. The fans are kicking on, keeping her cool the whole time. Oil pressure's at 30, and of course that's at a low idle. You give it gas, it shoots up to 45, 50, just like that, which is good. So all our gauges are working. I really like that setup there. It's pretty nice. You can see the turn signal popping up on the dash there. Looks cool. All right. You hear the fans kick on. Definitely got some pep to it. I noticed in the parking lot back there, you can get into the throttle. She'll spin the tires. For a second too. Oh no, it's very, very small drops of rain. We're gonna get back to the lot quick. Let this stuff pass over and grab another Chevelle. This is pretty quick. Get my turn signal on again. The brakes on this one are awesome, by the way. Shifts out quick, easy. Trying to come rain. What in the world? Get out of here. I am out on that. It was supposed to be over last night. As long as this rain will hold out, I can get majority of the videos done today. I do appreciate y'all watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe, and I'll definitely have more coming your way, especially this week. But every Monday we update with new cars. All right, see you later.